Hello there. Today I will be showing you the way to get any EXE file of all the programs installed in your PC. Here, Duolingo is installed, but I can't find the open file location so that I can get the EXE file. But for some other programs, the option is there, and I can find the EXE file. The open file location is missing for Teams too. Mostly Microsoft Store apps are missing this option, so let's find a way. Press Windows and R at the same time. When Run comes, type this. This will be in the description too. Press OK. The list you can see will show you all the program's EXE files you have installed as software in your PC. As I need EXE file for Duolingo, so right-click and create shortcut. Also for Microsoft Teams, right-click and create shortcut. Pressing yes will create .exe in your desktop, then use it the way you want. So this is how you can simply get EXE file for any software or program installed in your system. Hope you liked it. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.